Imagine this: a small, fast-moving black hole, no bigger than a mountain, but heavier than an entire star, drifts silently through the solar system. It doesn't aim for Earth. It doesn't collide with anything. It simply passes close enough to tug on the one cosmic companion we take for granted: the Moon. At first, no one notices anything unusual. Telescopes detect a strange gravitational ripple, but it looks like noise. The black hole emits no light, no particles, no warning, just a distortion in space. And then, over the next hours, the Moon begins to drift. Not by kilometers, but by meters. Then tens of meters, then hundreds. At first the shift is subtle, but astronomers quickly realize something horrifying. The Moon is no longer orbiting Earth. It's being pulled away. As the black hole gets closer, its gravity outpowers Earth's hold. The Moon accelerates toward the invisible visitor, like a stone yanked out of orbit by a cosmic thief. And when the connection breaks, when the Moon is no longer Earth's satellite, the entire planet reacts instantly. Tides go wild. The Moon is responsible for stabilizing Earth's oceans, and without its pull, water sloshes unpredictably around the globe. Some coastlines experience sudden megatides, others suddenly dry out. Wildlife is the first to panic. Marine animals lose their rhythms. Nocturnal creatures start moving in disoriented patterns. Migration cycles collapse overnight. The nighttime sky changes forever. But Earth's problems are only beginning. The Moon stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, the planet becomes chaotic. Within hours, the tilt begins to wobble. Seasons start to shift. The planet becomes more like Mars, unpredictable, unstable, prone to dramatic climate swings. Weather turns extreme. Storm systems intensify as heat distribution goes out of balance. Hurricanes form out of season. Dry regions flood. Wet regions catch fire. Temperature swings become brutal, scorching days followed by freezing nights. And the tides, they don't stop. Without the Moon to control them, Earth's rotation and the Sun's gravity create chaotic global water movements. Rogue tides, unpredictable surges, and massive whirlpools forming in places they never did before. Meanwhile, in the sky, something impossible happens. Billions of people watch as the Moon is pulled farther and farther away, slowly, silently, shrinking in the night sky. It's eerily beautiful and terrifying, and then it disappears. The Moon is swallowed by the passing black hole. No explosion, no flash, no sound. The black hole simply curves space, and the Moon slips into it like falling into a cosmic drain. Humanity is left stunned. A celestial object that shaped our mythology, our biology, and our history for billions of years. Gone in seconds. But the aftermath lasts forever. Within weeks, Earth's wobbly tilt causes massive climate instability. Snowstorms appear in tropical regions. Heat waves strike the poles. Agriculture collapses as seasons desynchronize. Global infrastructure fails under extreme temperature and weather shifts. Night becomes darker, much darker. Stars look sharper, but the sky feels empty. Crime rises. Animal behavior mutates. Humans experience increased depression and insomnia because moonlight has always been part of our neurological rhythms. Entire cultures lose a symbol older than civilization itself. Earth survives, but becomes unrecognizable. And humanity learns a terrifying truth. Space doesn't have to attack us to destroy us. Sometimes it only has to pass by. One small black hole and a single stolen moon is enough to rewrite the fate of an entire world.